Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design a smoke poster in Photoshop. First of all, open a new document and choose a dark background to make the smoke stand out. Import your model or object and place it at the center of the canvas. Next, head to the brush tool and select a soft smoky brush preset. Adjust the brush size and opacity to start building a realistic smoke flow. Now create a new layer and clip it to your subject. Start painting soft make trails around the edges to blend naturally. Use the smudge tool slightly to stretch and twist the smoke for movement. And add a hue saturation layer to introduce a subtle color tone blue.